Hello guys, now that you already know what GBV is, let us get to the first module, Module 1. Introduction to GBV Part A. After completing this module, you should be able to know the meaning of 1. Gender. 2. Identify types of GBV, including physical, sexual, emotional, psychological. Know that GBV is a human rights violation and that girls and women have the right to live free from violence. Understand that traditional harmful practices are also forms of GBV. And able to define and understand human rights in the context of GBV. So, what do we really mean when we say gender-based violence? Before we go into what GBV means, let us discuss what gender means. What is the difference between gender and sex? Or the meaning of gender and sex? Gender refers to the social differences between males and females in any society. Gender determines the roles, responsibilities, opportunities, privileges, expectations, and limitations for males and for females in any culture. Gender is a neutral term, neither good nor bad, right nor wrong. For some, the word gender has become associated with women's issues and women's programs, feminists, etc. And for some people, gender has become a negative word that connotes exclusion or hatred of men. In fact, gender refers to both males and females. Sex refers to the physical biological differences between males and females. It is determined by biology and does not change without surgical intervention. These are some examples of sex characteristics. Women menstruate while men do not. Men have testicles while women do not. Women have developed breasts that are usually capable of lactating, while men have no. Here are some examples of gender characteristics. In most countries, women earn significantly less money than men for similar work, though things have been changing in recent years. In Vietnam, many more men than women smoke, as female smoking has not traditionally been considered appropriate. In Africa, women do most of the house chores and are not expected to compete with men. In short, gender refers to the social differences between men and women. It is a learned and enforced behavior. Gender varies with culture, meaning from country to country you can find different roles being done by either men or women. Gender changes over time. For example, now we see more women going to work and providing for their families than before. That brings us to the end of Module 1, hope you enjoyed the lesson. In Part B, we shall learn how to identify the many types of GBV. This module is brought to you by King, always advocating for the welfare of boda boda riders in Kenya and the safety of women and children in public transport. www.kingaplatform.com